In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a semi-transparent text just like this in Google Slides. And the best thing, you don't have to install any third-party add-on or Chrome extension. Let me show you. Let me just remove this text first. And now the first thing that you need to do is you want to insert a text. And we are not talking about using a regular text box because you cannot just change regular text transparency level. Instead, we need to use a feature called word art. I think you know what I'm talking about. Let's go to insert, click word art, and then here you can type any text that you want. Let me type transparent and press enter. Now we have this text. Before I'm going to apply the transparency setting for this text, I want to change the the weight of the text. And also I want to remove the border, and I want to apply this color, this blue color for this text. And by the way, you can always modify the text later. You can just double click on the text and then you have the option to alter the text. So it's not strictly an image or a shape. It is something that you can always modify later. Anyway, let's add some transparency level for this text. Click on the text, go to fill color. And after that, you want to select custom color. And then here you want to adjust the slider to the left. It is totally up to you on how transparent the text is going to be. And after that, click OK. There you have it. We have a transparent text in Google Slides.